Did you know that generosity and grace are actually linked together? In 2 Corinthians chapter 8, it tells us that the Macedonians were under great persecution, but the grace welled up in them, and because of that, there was great generosity. See, generosity is a tool that helps us understand grace better. Now, I'm not saying that only generosity gets you the grace of God. I'm not saying that at all. We are all saved by grace through faith. But what happens, I believe, is God gives us this grace, and we understand like 1% of the grace. Generosity is the tool that helps us understand a larger amount of the grace that God has given us. So if you want to have and understand a little bit more of the grace that God has given you, why don't you try starting with generosity? I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are in Greensboro, North Carolina, come see me, Catalyst Church NC, at 10 a.m. on Sundays, and I'll save you a seat.